to the third startup from the bioconversion area, which is from Istanbul in Turkey. It's Ottan Studios, and their ambition is to turn orange peels and then various kinds of organic waste into something useful, into designer pieces. So I hope you can hear us and you are online, Ottan Studios. If so, please do make yourselves known.
Hello. Thank you for the introduction. I'm Ayşe Yılmaz, and I'm the founder of Ottan Studio. Next slide. Okay, in Ottan, we develop and produce circular biomaterials for a sustainable future. Next slide, please. We address the resource depletion problem. Since nature resources are consumed 75% more than Earth can sustain, we need almost 2 planets to continue living. A very large part of those resources, which is 40%, is consumed for the housing industry, while 1.3 billion tons of food is wasted annually. Next slide. The solution we provide for those problems is to upcycle food and agricultural waste to make Ottan materials that we can use as panels and products for the housing industry. Next slide, please. We have 3 material categories, and the first one is called core line. And those 12 materials are alternatives to acrylic surfaces, and they can be used on the cabinets and countertops. Next slide, please. Materials in the second line are made by leaves, grass, coffee pulps, and malt husks. Our acoustic materials are alternatives to softwood products. Next slide, please. The last category has stone-like surfaces, and they can be used on the floor and walls. Next slide. Next slide, please. Those examples are made by upcycled food waste. Therefore, significant amount of nature resources are saved. Next slide. Also, here plastic is reduced with a style. Next slide. The food and agricultural waste are taken from producers and transformed into panels to be delivered to the design offices in our B2B business model. Me, Burak in the operations and production, and Saadet in the sales and marketing. We are 3 friends in our core team. And we expect to learn how to grow in the German market, develop our technology further with corporate partners, and start collaborating with a future production partner. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you very much, Ayşe. So that is also super intriguing to turn waste into designer products.